Hello friends, welcome to Future Tech. Today, I'm going to tell you how to make a song using AI. First, search VoiceMod in your browser. Click here. Click on the Create Song Free button here. Okay, here are many types of songs that can be created. Select the type you want to generate the song from here. From here, we can select a voice of a Kamathi singer. Select the one you like here. Click Next. Okay, give us the lyrics of the song for us to prepare. If you don't have a song prepared, don't be afraid. Go to ChatGPT and prepare the lyrics of the song like this. OK, copy lyrics. Paste it here. OK, here you can name the song and here you can name the singer. Click the Create Song button. Okay, the song has been generated. Here you can add any music. Let's play the song now. If you have any questions about this video, comment. Subscribe us to see more AI working videos like this. See you in the next video.